Look at all the poppies. Boy, the poppies are so pretty this year. Here's one like a couple of years ago. I moved just one of them over here. And look how many there is over here now. These are loose stripes. So pretty, but then after they get done blooming, they're so raggedy. And the daffodils, of course, are all done. There's a hardy geranium. It's not blooming yet. Looks like it's spread over here. I didn't plant one over here. Another hardy geranium over here. It's doing really good. It just didn't used to bloom that much when that honeysuckle bush was growing there. Everything over here is growing a lot better now. And I need to get in here and pull through this grass up. Deadhead these daffodils, cut off this part right here so it don't make seeds for tulips. I planted a bunch of wildflowers in here. These are English bluebells right here. I'm not doing too well in here with all the daylilies. My rhododendron is blooming. Look at that. Coral bells. I like coral bells, and I planted some new ones this year. And here they are, they're coming up. There's another one right there. Came up. If you didn't see that video on how I planted those, you should watch it. I think there should be one in here, but I don't see it. It's still pretty good though, 2 of them. 2 out of 3. Got some more coral bells over here. I planted last year. This is Brunera blooming. And there's some more coral bells down in there. And this is Columbine. What that is. And these Virginia bluebells are almost done. The flowers are almost done. Here is some columbine that I planted here. This year I transplanted it from out back. You can watch that video if you want. I already made a video on that. And I planted some Oriental hybrid lilies in here, and I don't see them coming up yet. Looks like the bleeding hearts are almost done blooming. Get rid of that grass. Oh. Yeah, I don't see the Oriental hybrid lilies coming up yet. Okay. Here's a columbine I just transplanted here a few weeks ago. Look at those flowers, isn't that pretty? I started these from seed out back last year, and then this spring I transplanted them up here, and I made that into a video. Here's some more of that blue strife. That'll have little yellow flowers all up and down the stems. This is a weed. I'll have to come back and dig it up. Or not. Yeah, here's more of that. This is about ready to bloom. We like to have something blooming at all times of the year, and there's always something blooming, and that's my goal. These are Solomon seal, and they're blooming. And here's some more columbine I planted in here this year from out back. I planted a package of wildflower seeds. That was one of the things that was in it. Here's one I planted here last year. It's got the red flowers on it. My bird bath. I need to put it back up there on the concrete. The wild animals drink out of it at night. Here's another columbine. It's a different color of red, kind of a different kind of a flower. That's been there for years. I planted it. I think I'm going to get rid of this here. Yeah, primrose, but it's pretty wild flowers. The blooms are really small. This here is allium. It's just getting ready to bloom. And these are peonies getting ready to bloom. And there's some more columbine I planted in here. Just this year. There's some more hardy geraniums in here. I planted these a few years back. There's another one down in here. You can see the difference in the leaves on this one and this one here. There's a lot of different varieties of these hardy geraniums. That's seed. I'm not sure about that. Here's that lupine that self-seeded itself in here. And right here is where I'm going to put the bird bath. That's where it used to be. And the animals never could tip it over there. And look at these irises getting ready to bloom. Bells right there. It's been there for several years. Here's another one of those columbines that I planted here. A little package of wildflower seeds. And these are the white ones. These are clementines here, growing around in my potting beds. Here's where I was digging up all that columbine from, and you can see there's still some here. I might come out and do that. And here's some hollyhocks I planted. Looks like this one here needs some water. I transplanted it. It's pretty dry here. I'll give it some water. And that one there is doing better. I'll give those some water today. Okay, well, that's my garden right now on May 3rd. So if you like my garden, can you please subscribe to my channel and like gardening in my yard. And thanks a lot, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.